Assalamu alaikum grade 7 student. Today is our third lecture and it's about HTML. So first of all, the interface we are using is Notepad. In this Notepad, we'll do the HTML coding. But before I jump into coding, first let me tell you how to open it. First, go to Start menu, click on All Applications, then go to Windows Accessories, and here you will find Notepad. Click on it. This user face will appear on the screen. Now, the HTML code starts with HTML element. Right? This is on tag. From here, the HTML code starts. Then, head element. Still, on tag will be used. Then, title. Then in between the off tag and off tag, let's suppose first. Now in between on tag title and off tag title element, we'll give a name to the title. Like for example, let's say computer subject. This is the name of the title that will be appear as your website name. Then to finish the title and head, we have to use head element, but this time off tag. तो हेड का तो यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक का काम ख़त्म हो गया है. हेड का काम सिर्फ यहाँ तक ही है. इसके बाद जो आपके मेन वेबसाइट का जो मेन काम है वो आपकी बॉडी के अंदर आता है और वहाँ से हमारे बेसिक कोडिंग स्टार्ट होती है. ये एक स्ट्रक्चर है जो आप फॉलो करेंगे थ्रू आउट. Body element, on tag, then let's suppose we'll give a heading of my first website or whatever, but for heading you have to use h1 element. This is h1 element means heading number 1. You have total 6 kind of headings. I'll explain in detail. This is h1. First, let me write the syntax for it. Now we'll write heading number 5. And now heading number 6. Now let me show you the difference between these headings. My first website, let's suppose. My first website. We'll copy the text in between headings. Now we'll simply copy paste. So I have wrote all the headings down here. Now after this I'll use body element but with off tag. After this HTML element but with off tag. Now let's save it and see the difference between these headings. But always remember, if you are naming a file, there must be extension with it, like .html in the end. Save it. Now let's see. Here it is. You can see the difference. This one was H1 paragraph heading, sorry. This was one H2 heading this is H3 heading, this is H4 up to H6. So basically these are the difference between heading 1 to heading 6. So this was all about heading series. We'll cover up inshallah about paragraph, break line and much more in the coming videos. Stay tuned. Thank you.